Hello, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the recovery menu in your Samsung S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. So for this operation you have to get your USB-C cable like this, plug it in your computer, turn off your device, turn off. After that, plug the cable into your phone. It should be charging right now. And for now, you should press and hold volume up and power button together. Press and hold until you see the Samsung logo. That's it. Release boot key. And as you see, you are in your recovery menu in your Samsung S23. And in this case, you can do whatever you want. You can wipe data factory, wipe cache partition, and many more, as you see. Of course, you can reboot system now. So you're gonna be navigated by volume up, volume down, and accepted by power. Yep, that's right. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!